The regulator has taken a warlike stance and is ready to crush the majority of projects and their tokens. By recognizing a particular token as a security, the SEC will simply demolish its value. Watch this video to the end, and you will understand which coins to avoid and thus save your budget. My name is Den. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just suggesting you use your brain. You're on the Web3 Finance channel. So subscribe now because we're starting. I have prepared a table that will help you determine whether a particular coin is in the regulator's sights. As an example, let's take two cryptocurrencies. One will be an example of coins that definitely won't be recognized as securities, and the second example will serve as a coin that is most suitable for regulation. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely not a security, and we determined this using our table. BTC coins are mine. Bitcoin did not have a private round, airdrop token burning, or public sale round. Meet our champion, who ignored regulation. And now let's return to the example that fits all the criteria of a security. I hope CZ won't be watching this video.
You son of a bitch! I'm in!
So BNB, the BNB blockchain operates on proof of stake consensus. That's the first point. There was a private round. The second point, constant airdrops through various shady schemes. Stake your BNB for an allocation. Say that CZ is great, get a discount on fees, and much more.
What is your problem?
Another big point for BNB. Moving on to the most significant and undesirable items for any project, if it does not want to receive attention from Gary Gensler.
Hey, how you doing?
Supply burning, a powerful manipulation tool, is not favored by the SEC. Not only fines, but also more severe consequences can arise. The team knows when and how many tokens they will burn, while holders do not know, and it will be very difficult for Binance to prove that their burnings were honest and there was no price manipulation. And the last item is the public sale round. BNB raised funds in a public sale, but in addition to investments, the Binance team also collected a bingo on our table. My opinion is that if the SEC conducts a fair investigation, BNB will be declared a security, and most likely Binance will have to pay a lot of fines to continue operating.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
My words about how public rounds are very bad for projects are confirmed by projects like Aptos. They had an airdrop, and if they did it transparently, which I have no doubt they did, they will be able to account to the regulator. I am also sure that all major projects that will come out in the future will not conduct public rounds. In the next video, I will talk about 5 coins that in my opinion will easily survive regulation and wave to us from the moon. Subscribe.